My favorite of all, the pasta sauces. Versatile, tasty, and I'm gonna give you tons of ideas to do with these really cool items. Quattro Formaggio pasta sauce. Beautiful, 4 cheese, creamy, rich, full of flavor. So try it out, it's great. Pasta. What is better than pasta? Pasta stuffed with our favorite things. At Gourmet Egypt, we have developed 3 beautiful raviolis. The one being premium mushroom, the other one being ricotta and spinach, and the other one being mozzarella, sun-dried tomatoes, and basil. I love having these in my freezer because they are easy to cook. They cook in 90 seconds, in fact, and are so versatile with so many different sauces. So I'm going to show you how to make this happen within 90 seconds. One of the main myths about cooking pasta is that it needs oil in the water, and we often use too small pots, and we often use bad salt. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Number 1, we must have a hot pot with boiling water. Not lukewarm, not almost hot. We need to have it boiling, boiling, boiling. Number 2, we want to have salt and lots of it. And number 3, we do not add oil to the water. We add oil afterwards. I'm going to start with a boiling pot of water and then add my salt to it. Don't be shy with the salt. Pasta needs salt to boil, and we don't need to use the expensive sea salt. We can just use normal store-bought running salt. I'm going to start by adding the salt, and I'm going to do 2 tablespoons. While the water is boiling, I'm going to heat my pasta sauce over here, and I'm going to use Quattro Formaggio. It is made with Emmental cheese, white cheddar, parmesan, and blue cheese. Beautiful combination, rich, creamy, and perfect for a mushroom ravioli, the one that I'm going to use now. Okay, that's most certainly a lot. Now this is going to gently heat on a low to medium heat, not too hot. We don't want to burn the sauce. In the meantime, I'm going to go back to my favorite comfort food in the world, mushroom stuffed ravioli. You use these straight from frozen. Don't worry about defrosting them. Use them straight out of the freezer. And now we wait 90 seconds. Tick-tock. Well, my cheese sauce is heated up, so I'm going to put that on the side, and I'm going to go and drain the pasta in the sink. So the pasta has been drained, and I'm salivating because it looks so delicious. The best idea, the best suggestion I can make to you is use our beautiful, beautiful, beautiful extra virgin olive oil. Spicy, full of flavor. Drizzle that, and that's it. But because I've heated up the cheese sauce, I'm just going to drop that over the ravioli, and that'll be it. And here we go. There. And now let's put that into a bowl. Excellent. For extra flavor, I'm going to add some chopped parsley, because that always lightens and brightens any meal. Fresh herbs, especially parsley with Italian. And there you have it. 2-minute, beautiful, homemade cheese sauce, Quattro Formaggio, mushroom ravioli. That's really good. Beautiful, full mushroom flavor, strong mushroom flavor, great creamy cheese sauce, and fresh parsley. Winner meal. Really, really, really good. Yummy. I'm going to tuck in.